official statement over provisional status to Gilgit-Baltistan. In the US presidential election, counting of vote has entered into final stage with Democratic candidate Joe Biden getting closer to victory. Prime Minister Imran Khan will inaugurate the Sehat Card Plus Program for the entire population of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa in Swat tomorrow on Friday. The sixth meeting of the Turkey-Qatar Supreme Strategic Committee will be held today in Turkish city Antalya. In Nigeria, at least 75 Boko Haram militants have been killed during different operations. In India, at least 12 workers have been killed and 9 others injured in the blast in chemical warehouse in Ahmedabad city of Gujarat state.